Winter is actually the best time to plant fruit trees. Sounds strange, right? The ground is cold, leaves are gone, and everything looks asleep. But that's exactly why winter planting works so well. When trees are dormant, they handle transplanting with almost no stress. Their roots settle quietly through winter, and by spring, they explode with strong new growth. So today, we're going over 10 fruit trees you should plant this winter for the best results. Whether you're in the USA or UK, these trees love a winter start. Let's get into it. 1. Apple trees. Apple trees are classic winter plant choices. When planted bare root in the dormant season, they establish deeper root systems and grow stronger in spring. Cold weather helps them stay stable while roots spread underground. Choose disease-resistant varieties if you're a beginner. 2. Pear trees. Pears love a cold winter. Planting them while dormant reduces shock and improves fruiting later. Pears often struggle when planted in warm months, but winter gives them the calm rooting time they need. Varieties like Conference and Bartlett do very well in cooler climates. 3. Plum trees. Plums grow fast and respond beautifully to winter planting. They like well-drained soil and settle quickly when planted bare root. Because they wake up early in spring, getting them in the ground in winter gives you a jump start before the buds appear. 4. Cherry trees. Both sweet and sour cherries benefit from winter planting. Cherries have delicate roots, so planting while dormant reduces transplant shock. Winter moisture helps roots spread naturally. If your summers are hot, a winter start gives cherries a much better chance. 5. Peach trees. Peaches prefer to be planted in winter or very early spring. They don't like sitting in containers for too long, so bare root peaches planted in the dormant season usually perform much better. They also need winter chill hours to produce fruit, making winter planting ideal. 6. Apricot trees. Apricots can be sensitive when young, but planting them in winter helps them adjust gradually. They settle in quietly during cold months and break dormancy with strong, stable growth. Apricots are sun-loving, so give them the brightest spot available. 7. Fig trees. Figs may look like warm climate plants, but they root extremely well when planted in winter. As long as your winters aren't extremely icy, figs establish stronger frameworks and better fruiting wood after a winter planting. Hardy varieties like Chicago Hardy handle cold climates well. 8. Pomegranate trees. Pomegranates are becoming more popular in 2025, especially in warmer parts of the USA and mild areas of the UK. Winter planting helps their roots stabilize before the heat of summer arrives. They don't mind cool soil as long as it's not frozen. 9. Mulberry trees. Mulberries grow fast and produce heavily. Planting them in winter helps them root deeply, which leads to better fruiting and stronger branches. Once established, they're almost maintenance-free. Black mulberries are especially sweet and reliable in cooler climates. 10. Persimmon trees. Persimmons love a slow winter start. Planting them while dormant lets them adapt without stress. American persimmons handle cold very well, while Asian varieties do best in mild climates. Both types fruit better with early winter planting. Extra tips. Choose bare root trees in winter, they're cheaper and root faster. Plant on days when the soil isn't frozen or waterlogged. Add mulch around the base but keep it away from the trunk. Winter planting means less watering, but do water during dry spells. Stake young trees if your area gets strong winter winds. For small gardens, look for dwarf or semi-dwarf varieties. If you enjoyed this winter fruit tree guide, make sure to hit the like button. Comment below and tell me which fruit tree you want to plant this season. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy gardening tips all year round. Happy planting!